in the Lok Sabha, past speakers have allowed not just the LOP, but also senior members to intervene in debates. For example, former Prime Minister Chandrasekhar ji, when he came back in '96 as the sole member of the Samajwadi Janata Party, often stood up and was allowed to speak. In March 1997, Biju Patnaik ji intervened. There was a Madhya Pradesh BJP MP called Sundarlal Patwa who asserted that the mandate was not actually with Deve Gowda, but the mandate was that of the BJP's nationalism, and the BJP should be allowed to form the government. And Biju Patnaik intervened very sharply, and he said, "You people talk of nationalism. Do you know what is nationalism? You cannot know it. His Rashtravad is breaking up the nation in 20 pieces." Patnaik was neither asked to sit down, nor was the House adjourned by the then Speaker. Contrast that with the current Speaker. In the last Lok Sabha, the 17th, he perfected the art, or under his guardianship, the art of switching off the mics of opposition members mid-sentence, of ensuring Sansad TV paid for by taxpayer money blacks us all out. And when we stand up and he says this is a technical glitch, that's okay, we believe it, but I'm just pointing it out. It has become a joke within us opposition members that when we stand up for a 0 hour or a supplementary question, we are cut off in 30 seconds saying, "Sankshipt mein boliye, sankshipt mein boliye." And for treasury benches, people are allowed to speak endlessly, make unfounded allegations, lies against all of us. The government has made a circus of parliamentary democracy, and if the Speaker is going to concede to being a complicit ringmaster, it is a very sad day for Indian democracy, a very sad day. In March 25, a delegation of India Bloc MPs met the Speaker. We submitted a letter raising 12 issues, including the failure to appoint a Deputy Speaker, denial of the opportunity to speak to the LOP and other leaders, disregarding the decisions of the BSC. During his term, the Honourable Speaker has systematically throttled the voice of the opposition and by default the representative voice of 41 crore Indians, 410 million Indians. That's who we represent here.